in the charity shop. We're going to see if we can see a Jellycats. Oh, what is this?
Oh, he's cute.
We're looking at the teddy aisle because they don't organise them. We've just sort of got to look through to see if we can see any Jellycats. Is this a Jellycat? It looks like one. No. There's a sloth here. That's not a Jellycat, you can tell.
No sloths are Jellycat for some reason.
This looks like a Jellycat. It's really cute. Looks like one and kind of looks like one. That's just going to be in my nightmares.
Axolotl. I don't think so, though.
Oh, but that was a rabbit Jellycat. There wasn't this. I quite like this bag. So that it's a charity shop. They don't know this. Can't see anything, girl.
Not seen any Jellycats.
Okay, so there's a guy that is gonna go have a look to see if they have any Jellycats, because they say they do. They said that they do sell them here, but they don't know if they have any left. Sorry. They don't have any left, sadly. Found some cute. I've got this bag, I'll show you. I've got these bags that are cute, like travel bags. Pink and black, these are beige. That's like the actual bag, that's the travel bag. Little fans. Can't really see anything. So there isn't really anything here. Yeah, I was just saying that. Now I'm going to H&M.